Welcome to DeFi Crypto today. Our topic today is Yobit.net and a new feature, YoStep, their virtual sneakers. What's that all about? Well, as you know, in 2022, there's been a new move to earn industry that started with StepN, where basically you walk and earn crypto. And so basically, you need users are equipped with NFTs from StepN, and you can earn rewards by walking, jogging, or running outdoors, and so on. So the new trend has attracted a lot of attention, even outside the crypto world. And the StepN token did very well. At some point, it went 300x from the initial price to its all-time high. And even now in the bear market, it's still a 70x, giving a 70x performance. So it's not bad at all. So to take advantage of this trend, Yobit Exchange decided to launch the YoStep project with virtual sneakers and really good earning opportunities. And that's what we're going to have a look at today. The difference here, you don't need to walk or run to use YoStep as of yet. All you need to do is perform some actions on the exchange. So YoStep also has a very profitable referral program, and you can receive 10% of the value of your friends' sneakers that register and when they buy them using your link. So that's what we're going to have a closer look at today. But first, let's refresh our memory about Yobit. If this is the first time you see me talk about Yobit, I've done a couple of other videos about that exchange. It's quite reliable. It's been around since 2014. It's one of the oldest crypto exchanges in the world. Has a very high security. It's never been hacked. You trade anonymously. You don't need to do any KYC. All you need to do is register with an email address, and that's it. It's very fast and easy registration. It's accessible anywhere in the world. Trading fees are really low. You got customer support available 24/7 via Telegram, and you can deposit and withdraw fiat through various systems. What's very exciting is that they have multiple airdrops, IEOs, staking, farming, giveaways, and various other projects like YoStep today that we're going to have a look at. And you can trade over 400 different cryptocurrencies and 3,900 trading pairs, which is huge. All right. So let's have a closer look at this. So once you log in Yobit, you go to YoStep right here at the top, and you get to this page here. All right, so on this page here, you see the next refill of available sneakers that you can buy. So they disappear very, very quickly. So right now, if we wait 41 minutes, we should see some sneakers available for sale. They're not going to be a lot. It's very small number each time. Okay, something in the order of 10 to 24 or something. So you have to hurry up to buy them. You've got several levels, and you receive daily rewards. Okay, and this is the estimated value at the current price of the YoStep token. So essentially, the level 1 sneaker, you earn 1 YoStep token plus a bonus. And it goes up from there, okay, according to the levels here. And here it gives you an approximate value in per day and an approximate value that you could potentially earn per year. the rates will change, and so on. But it gives you a good idea of how much money you can make. This is the cost in USDT of each sneaker. So the first level is very, very affordable. It's only $10. If you go to StepN, for instance, it's a lot more expensive. So the entry level here is very affordable at $10. So once you see any number available here, you can hit buy now and you can buy that level. Okay. So just to give you an idea, it costs you $10, and the estimated yearly earnings are up to $48. So that is very, 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 very good. Okay. Now, these are examples of sneakers that I got in my account. Okay. And you get the estimated value and tells me the next payment I'm going to get and so on. The upgrade button is not yet activated. So if you click on this, it's temporarily off, it says. So don't use that for now. But you can still earn very exciting yield on this. Okay. Now, the reason why Yobit Exchange launched a project is that it's one way for them to attract new traders to the exchange. So they want to take advantage of this trend of walk to earn. Right now, they're not going to make you walk, but you're going to have to play the dice game, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And this is basically a promotion to attract new traders on the exchange and to have fun while earning extra rewards. Okay, it's kind of a gamification, if you will. All right. So the demand is very high for this game right now. Make sure you watch when the new refill time is coming if you want to have a chance to buy any of these sneakers. Also, it's better to get in early. The earlier you get into this game, the greater your chances of reward. Okay. The ROI on some of these is like around 900 to 1,000%. But, in order to get those high yields, you need to get very, very early. All right. Now, they've got some rules here. So payment for sneakers is 2 times a day. Purchase limits, right now they put temporary purchase limits, but at the moment they are for one user 40 sneakers, and for Yo holders 80 sneakers. So if you have the Yo token, which is Yobit's own token, you can purchase up to 80 sneakers maximum. The number of sneakers is very limited. The refills occur in small quantities every hour, from 12 to 22 only, and they go fast. You gotta watch for them. After the purchase of sneakers, the funds go to the buying fund to pay for referrals and buy Yo tokens. From the buying fund, is spent as follows: 20% in the DeFi pool of YoStep USDT immediately after purchase, 2% for 30 days in the YoStep USDT daily. For successful payments, you need to have 10 dice plays twice per day. So you need to play. If you want to receive your payment, your YoStep payments, you need to play the dice game. The dice game is one way that they're using to fund the yield. Okay, so a lot of people have to play that dice game, and you need the YoStep token to do that. So once a month, repairs are needed. Repairs made in Yo token, 5% of the cost. Referral owners get 10% of the cost of the sneakers. You can upgrade sneakers with YoStep, but that's not available yet. All right, so those are the rules. Let's have a look at the dice game. So we got dice here. If we can get there. Here are the dice. All right, so right now it allows you to use or to choose any of these tokens here. As you can see, I've added the YoStep token here because that's the one we need for this game, right? And here you see other people playing the dice game at the moment. So this is for Bitcoin. If we switch to YoStep here, we'll go like this, and it's going to appear. Now, you can bet a minimum of 0.01 YoStep token, and all you have to do is hit a roll, and I'm right here, and it tells you if you win or lose. So the red ones are losers, the green ones are winners. Okay, so essentially, whatever you bet on the dice, you can earn twice as much. So if you were to put 10 YoStep tokens, you could potentially win 20 YoStep tokens, and or you lose your 10 YoStep. Now, if you don't have any YoStep tokens in your wallet originally, you can buy them here. So you can search here, YoStep, and get there. And there we go. So you can swap some USDT for YoStep. All right. So the first line you say how many. So let's say you wanted to trade 10 USDT, you would get 67 YoStep. All you have to do is hit swap and you're done. Okay, that will put 67 YoStep tokens in your wallet, which you can use to play the dice game. Okay, and as I said, you need to play at least 10 times the dice game, but you don't have to put a huge amount. Okay, you can start simply by 0.01 YoStep, and you need to play that 10 times twice daily. Okay, and that guarantees that you receive your payments. So that's the way one of the ways that they fund the game. Okay, and ensure that the yield is sustainable. All right. Yeah. Also, another point that's very important, to activate the dice section here so that that link appears and works, you need to have a little bit of Bitcoin in your wallet. Okay, you need to have a minimum of 0.001 BTC in your wallet to make it work. Okay, so very important. If you don't have 0.001 BTC in your wallet, you don't have to bet it, but it has to be in your wallet. Okay, it's the way that the dice game has been programmed. Okay, it needs to have BTC in the wallet in order to be activated. But once you have that, you can bet YoStep after you bought some YoStep on the swap down here. So why they offering such a high yield? Well, the first thing is they can afford to do this because of various things. The first one is the dice game that helps fund the APY on this. Okay. The other thing is, when people buy the sneakers, 80% of the value of the sneakers bought is put back into liquidity pools to support that APY as well. And on top of that, the exchange put its own money into a reserve fund that help support the APY. So the whole thing has been designed to be sustainable as possible. Okay, the goal of YoStep is to attract new traders in the exchange, and Yobit is willing to spend its own money to reward those new traders with this gaming feature. Okay, so that people stay within the exchange and trade and do farming and participate in all kinds of events that happen in there all the time. So the point is to make it fun for new traders to get in, and they want to stay and trade more and more. Okay, that's the idea. That's why it's profitable to play this, not only for the end users but for the exchange as well. All right, so as I said earlier, at the moment you don't need to run or walk with these sneakers to make a profit. All you have to do is play the dice game. Okay, you have to play 10 rolls twice a day, and you don't have to spend a fortune. As I said, you can choose your YoStep here and put a tiny fraction of your YoStep in 0.01 YoStep, for instance, and you hit the button. So you choose up or down. That's your call, and you win or lose. Okay, and as you can see, it's very popular. There's tons and tons of people playing this super fast right now. All right, so that's it for this video. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell. Download the free book. All you have to do is put your email and your name and hit the submit button, and then you get a big fat button that says download the free book. And if you miss that button, don't worry, we're going to send you an email with another big fat button that says download the free book. And if you don't want a free book, that's okay. You go to Amazon, you pay $5.99 to Jeff Bezos, and Jeff will send me $1. See ya.